Hello guys, I got a 3-pack Walmart pack thing. My friend bought it for me for 11 bucks, so let's get it cracking. I got this free Retaliator Griffin promo. Let's go Innistrad. First card is a Feral Ridgewolf. Altar's Reap. Gruesome Deformity. Avison Pilgrim. Bump the Night. Village Cannibals. Or I'm sorry, Stromkirk Patrol. Night Revelers. Chapelgeist. Travel Preparations. Spectral Rider. Into the Maw of Hell. Tribute to Hunger. And the rare is Gutter Grime. Okay, pretty bad. Gutter Grime. And a Screeching Bat, which turns into Stalking Vampire. Pretty bad pack. Let's go to M12. Incinerate. Vastwood Gorger. Chasm Drake. Mighty Leap. Mind Rot. Griffin Rider. Negate. Fling. Bountiful Harvest. Devouring Swarm. Carnage Worm. Dragon's Claw. Diabolic Tutor. And the rare is Rootbound Craig. Not bad. Very nice. And Forest. It's pretty cool. My 5th one, so it's like $4. Not bad. Let's go to Scars. No foil. Oops. Lumen Grid Drake. Faravor. Silvermur. Nurok Invincimancer. Silvolk Lifestaff. Vector Asp. Winged Puncture. Goblin Cavalier. Snapshile Glider. Stoic Rebuttal. Oxiden Scrap Melter. Grafted Exoskeleton. Corrupted Harvester, and the rare is Azuri. Pretty bad packs, but we got a Rootbound Craig, not too bad. And Azuri, which is not bad, sure. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this triple booster pack opening. And be prepared for one maybe tomorrow, so we'll see. We will see. Adios.